Kotomo vidialo tubonela Apollo Alfonso wenyi dolo chigamoi nyesida ya wanyo netai elomunioto mauriane tena awojanoi kede ikaskolu wacholi lueinono kede ngare no koda alu apugan auriane tena ngeste tolo sitaya na mukaga anatarapara ni kere ide eraida kanyangono apuli okarua lopalo oreke kolo alatwan Oulanyah loda ebala ida bonebe ejaika ike loda mamenyeta kina alaijo chalo la juri Omoro district alo mauriane tena kaulo na onacheke alokolo arai MP Omoro Francis Emuna ailipido itungalu Omoro aseun Andrew Oulanyah kwape loda ebuni ai kopari akeja papake kwape MP Lobuku Omoro Francis Emuna loda rai chuto nacho bele da koda kina kada Jacob Oulanyah ngeste tolo muna isirarate kechoto mapaki na ada idayo kanai kanyet era kanye unio la palo ngone to karua lo palo.
We would want the government and the people of Omoro who believe in NRM and otherwise that we are fronting a job to take the legacy of his father. We want the job to stand come by election for Omoro. We want your full support. Please stand with the family and we take this man through. This is my special request for the people of Omoro especially. Job is a very educated person.
Iyata kitaida abon bandro Oulanyah loda kopekwa na isoma ite kaderiongete loka National Information Technology Authority Uganda rainita Uganda nyese buna bolobolo toma ticket na pale maja ipapake toma nako NRM.
We thought that through Jacob, who was not only a speaker but also NRM vice chair, we would be able to attain those things. So that's a big loss. For this case, what have we decided? We have decided to pick one of his own, and that is Jacob's son. In Acholi we say, our people in Acholi say, Gin menen kelu pigwang guok no olo gududuane. We have been crying, we have been mourning him because of the loss we have had. And so bringing Jacob's son in the name of Andrew Oulanyah is wiping our tears, as actually people say, no pigwang.
Akalo na bongu no UK anoda aiboro Jacob Oulanyah Betty Laika nyesida je kina uriane tena neda bu mochamuna da bonebe mambo ngabuna itamari koku eraido lo kwa ne ineri koku esinyiko kida kopekwa na F5 lo Omoro district okelo Douglas Pito Kau ai nyu nudo kwa na osoda chamakin etelepata lolo ikara akaisara luka nyeuni Andrew Oulanyah ai buokodo kwa ne mendera tetireda enyeta kinairu jasha noda aja tatari papake.
I am not contesting because Andrew Oulanyah has come up and he's interested in it. And honestly, to me, I have had one-to-one with him 2 or 3 times. I have seen his intelligence, his integrity, his well-awareness of the environment. I think he's doing a very good job as an LC5. He has experience, this is the 2nd term. Why he's jumping to become a member of parliament and leaving his vacancy for somebody of taker, it doesn't make sense to me, but probably makes sense to her, and I don't want to speak to him or put words in his mouth, but I would see if me and him work together to support Oulanyah to go in that position. Give him a try, give him a shot, let him finish that race. He may do a good job, he may surprise us. Let him finish what his father started.
Mangunu aluda jasi auriane tena ediopa kesi lo sekarai MP lo Gulu Municipality Leandro Komakej Chief Justice Owinyi Dolo Chigamoi nyesda bu ilip ebe koto na ibu makini kai morkikini anwetunga luachi olikere.
Never know. Archbishop Rombi said there's something happening. And that something happening may come soon. He's 73 years of age, but God says he should still remain alive. And therefore, he may be witnessing some phenomena that may occur in northern Uganda, because God has provided many leadership in northern Uganda and continues to provide. So the falling of Jacob Oulanyah should not deter or make us fear to continue marching forward. This is a struggle. The war is on. We must pick from where he left.
Ilolo ne bala satomonado papuli o karualo eriong'te la ase ong'esda abu itolo tinere sinei kede itungalu Omoro County kala iyo Omoro County headquarters anoda eskapikini kesibone bebe ker kaboni alo marakalaya ase onaka MP lo etete lo Komoro ng'esda etebe kintai akaisara no kanyape olapa lo ekanyeto karua lope alo darakindo pana anyun bone be kwate marekal ngaibo bitepegi